Hello viewers, how are you? Today I come with another new tutorial, and this tutorial is about hiding add to cart button in product detail in J2Store. If you go to this page, here, if you will see that this is a product page, and here is add to cart button, and this product page is actually using J2Store. So how can we hide this? This one. So this is an easy way to hide. I will use this plugin, custom CSS plugin for Joomla, because why I use it, because if I later update it, if I update my theme, then it will not break. So let's do it from my end. So go plugin section. I have already installed it. Just check for it, CSS. Yes, 1 minute. Yes, this is the custom CSS plugin. So you don't need to edit your template section. You just have to add this, and this is the code here, J2 Store item cart button. So just put it here like this and just click save, and don't forget to enable it. You have to enable it. Then we will test it here that it really hide or not. So let's wait 1 minute. We need to do a hard refresh now. So I have added the CSS here. This is the CSS, real CSS, and it will hide the quantity or other things or everything. Like if you wish to hide this one, then inspect element and just go for the price section, and you just go for the price container, and you just make a add rule here, add new rule. This is the price container, product price container. Just use display none. This will hide your price too. If you don't wish to hide price, it will keep it like this. And if you want to SKU or other things brand, you just hide it from here too. There is the option product SKU, manufacturer brand, and this all under TX SKU. You just use add new rule, and you just use display none, and it will hide out everything. So so you can easily hide this one, and this is everything. You have to put it here, and you just go add new rule, and you just use display none. Yes, this is the one, and you just copy this rule, and you just put this on CSS plugin, this one like this. I will give this course on my video description so that you can easily do it, and you just have to refresh it. Let's see the magic, and everything removed. So this is how you can easily hide add to cart button or other things from the J2 store component, and this is very easy. So you can get a nice design layout like this. So thank you for watching, and I forget to tell one thing. That is this I am using this custom CSS plugin. Actually this one I will give this link to, because for this, if I anytime update my template, then it does not break my this layout. It will keep it inside it, so it will work. And anytime you need to change, you just go plugin section and just have this plugin, and you just add here, changes the code here, and this will here already your custom CSS. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.